Hey, what's up, folks? Today I'm diving into the nitty-gritty of framing walls safely. With over 2 decades in the professional building game, I've gathered some invaluable tips to make your project safer and smoother. First off, let's talk about this nail. This little guy is your pivot point. Square up your wall, align your bottom plate with your strike line, and hammer in a 12 or 16 penny nail diagonally through the plate into the subfloor. This technique lets your wall swing up without sliding, keeping everything aligned as you lift. Next, think about your workspace safety. Adding a few blocks on the outside of your floor system prevents heavy walls from tipping over the edge, which, trust me, you want to avoid at all costs. A few minutes setting up these blocks could save you from a trip to the ER. Now, about manpower. The rule of thumb is at least 1 person per 8 feet of wall, at least. For lighter 2x4 walls, you might manage with fewer, but more hands always make light work and ensure safety. And here's a pro tip. Prep your bracing materials and fasteners before you even think about lifting. It's smart to have a quick huddle with your crew beforehand and assign some roles, like one to handle the braces, another to nail down the bottom plate, and a couple guys to steady the wall while you secure everything. Planning this out makes the whole process flow like a well-oiled machine. If you found these tips helpful, drop a comment about what project you're tackling and hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And don't forget to subscribe for more DIY tips. Thanks for watching and happy building.